Hey guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. We all know each housemate has their own team outside, guys. The people that they are managing their social media page, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. They do have a WhatsApp group where they communicate their strategy. So, guys, the Liema's team, this is what their strategy, guys. They are saying they are going to vote for Melly, instead of Didi and Tracy, because they want the friends out before the finals. So they don't want Didi and Tracy, guys, on the final. They want Umeli, guys, because the competition is very high, guys. The goal is to clean so that Oli Yema can have a good strategy, can win the 2 million rand. So, guys, because there were so many people were saying, oh, Yema's team, they also need to share their vote with Didi. And Yema's team are saying, no, we're not going to do that. We're going to vote for Melly because we know that Umeli cannot win against Liema. So somebody went on to say, let's be honest, that's selfish. Everyone who entered to the house went there for their own journey, their own brand, their own future. Reaching the finals can open a really opportunity for any one of them. So they didn't go there to be stepping stone for someone else. They are now saying they want Melly in their finals so that, when it comes to Thandeka, they know very well if Thandeka lose, I don't think this is a good idea. Even if Thandeka goes home, obviously the people that are voting for Thandeka, they will vote for Melly, guys. Again, it's still not a strategy for me, guys. Even if Didi and Tracy goes, I don't think Didi's people, they're going to vote for. Plan is to get rid of Thandeka, Tracy, and Didi, because they know the people that were voting for Didi and Tracy, obviously they will vote for Liema, the Banda girls. They will make sure they want to see Liema winning, guys. So when it comes to Thandeka, they are saying there's a voice note, guys. It's currently trending. If you go to Big Brother Mzansi season 6, unfortunately I tried to download the voice note so that I can post it here, guys. It says private, but you can go to the Facebook page and listen to this lady what she's saying, guys. She's coming with a strategy to say we need to get rid of Tracy and Didi. The only person we are voting for is for Melly to go to top 5, not Thandeka. Forgetting that the people that are voting for Melly and Thandeka, if Umeli leaves, if Thandeka leaves, they will obviously go to Melly, guys. I don't understand if this person has thought about this strategy. At the end of the day, every housemate deserve, fair shot based on their own game, not being used as a part of somebody's strategy, guys. It is totally unfair for saying Didi and Tracy, they don't deserve to go to the finale because they're gonna use them as their strategy, so they don't have a choice. They will vote for Liema, guys. So people are saying about this lady, she's totally unfair for saying those things. I saw in the diary section today, Liema is on Thandeka again in the diary room. She was complaining to Big Sister that she doesn't know why Thandeka is still in the house and top 10. She say Thandeka, she's a bully, guys. She doesn't deserve to be top 10. She's saying a lot. She's saying she was calling out those who keep voting for Thandeka. She say, I don't understand why people are still voting for Thandeka, guys. She say she's threatened by Melly, guys. Everybody is scared of Melly. Even Udidi on her direct section, she says she doesn't understand why Thandeka, she's still here. They think Melly is very smart, so they're scared of Melly. Same as Ashe, he said he's scared of Melly. And Q Udon, he was like he's scared of Q because Q is underdog. So people are thinking Ugote Umeli is big outside. Thandeka, she's just following around. Thandeka depend on Melly. So guys, that's Liema's people's strategy to say they're gonna use Tracy and anyway, guys, it is what it is. Tell me a conversation. What do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Happy